All right, the Kaizen Way Company is built on the principles of Kaizen, and Kaizen means continuous improvement. It's a Japanese term that's used around manufacturing, and ultimately it means that you try to achieve success and efficiency not by doing more, but by doing less. And when I was a sales rep years ago, when I was struggling, I came across the term Kaizen, and it clicked in terms of how we as sales professionals basically want to do the exact same thing, and that is try to achieve more in less time and be very efficient. So I, over the next several years, morphed the idea of Kaizen into a philosophy called the Kaizen Way, which basically takes the core principle of continuous improvement, which is what Kaizen stands for, but it also adds an element of eliminating wasteful thoughts and behavior. From a manufacturing standpoint, wasteful behavior is anything that slows down the production process or gets in the way of things being done efficiently. Well, if you think about us as salespeople, the exact same principle applies, where you're trying to use your time as efficiently as possible and as productively as possible. The other component of this idea of eliminating waste is centered around the idea of wasteful thoughts. And these are thoughts that get in the way of our success every single day. For example, before you go to make a sales call, if you've seen that customer several times and you have a negative vibe towards that customer, and you say this customer is a jerk, or this customer never gives me time, or I'm wasting my time with this customer, and then you go in and expect to make the sale, then you're going to have a much more difficult time succeeding in that situation. So the second principle of Kaizen is eliminating wasteful thoughts and behavior. The third principle is what I refer to as the relentless pursuit of excellence. And that is really the tagline of our company. And excellence is a way of being. Excellence is the virtue that you're trying to achieve. And we don't use the word goals anymore, because if you look at the definition of a goal, that is the terminal point of a race. That is when things end. But in terms of being perennially successful, you want to always evolve and always try to pursue this idea of being excellent, which is not just achieving something, but number one, living a certain way that helps you achieve it, but once you achieve it, takes you to the next level so that you can maximize what you've achieved. So the Kaizen Way Company is built around those principles, and we offer sales, training, and management programs all centered around the idea of taking your sales force or your management team or your leadership team, whatever their current state is, and going in there and applying these principles of Kaizen, continuous improvement, eliminating wasteful thoughts and behaviors, and pursuing excellence to help them achieve the success that you're looking for from these individuals in your company.